Jamaica shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck know say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Guys, ooh, fish on, guys, fish on, gotcha. Woohoo! Yeah! Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on, guys. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing, next spot. You gotta try to achieve, right? You gotta try to achieve by fishing. Yeah, Cuz got his own pier over there now. He doing it. Just checking this side. But this is the harbor that the diver was just telling us about. Saying that the body of Sprats is back down here. I've had some serious hits down here before, guys. So snooks, tarpons, batteras, snapper. I big triple tail run down my line one day. See what's up, guys. Cast up this side, and I can get some aerial view cast off the top of that dock. Shore fishing way. Whoop whoop. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch your ads, guys. We'll go up top here and get a bird's eye view. I can cast and I can see very good. You guys. Hook up! Jack! Big Jack! Are you not call out? I hope you had your camera on. Was hooked on a jack a while ago, he said, and he got away. The size of that stingray passing me under there, huge. Sometimes you cast in this little harbor, you'll hit. Yeah, guys. Long cast over there. Hey guys, so in to out, out and in, nothing. Oh my God, this morning. Having a bad energy morning this morning, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys, fish on, gotcha. Woohoo! Yeah! Broke my ducks, cuz. Lizard fish never fails. That's what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Look how this guy's got hooked. Look at that. Boy never fails. Calm down. You a hungry boy, ain't you? Let's get the tool out where we can control you a bit better. Yep, and we can get these hooks out of you. Just like that. Lizard. Alright, broke my ducks this morning. You my Brooks Doker. Ducks broker ducks. Cuz hooked up onto something over there a while ago, it got away from him. Kind of broke the ice a bit with this one. But we're going to walk the plank, guys, and see what we can pick up. Hit a nice jack a while ago that was probably passing by. But wherever I can find a big bait fish is where I can find the bigger fish. So, let's see what's up, guys. Been a while. Wild morning. Definitely don't want this fish's teeth rubbing on me. So. Get on the rock and see what we can pick up. nothing. Alright, we're gonna walk the plank, guys. Alright, we're not gonna sit here and just cast all day right in one spot. We'll walk the plank because, but I'm gonna hit the other side before he gets there. He's already casting in that spot. It makes no sense me run up behind him on it. So yeah, made it up on top of the hill, guys. Little cardio with this stuff. Woo! That wave right there. Oh man, well, it's kind of rough on this side. Gotta make some precise cast. Gotta be careful, extremely careful, because of all the reef that's here. See if I can get in here real quick. Side. See how that looks right there. Awesome. I like the way that looks. Yep. That's exactly what's happening. There's a spot out here that I cast. I hooked the barra that got away from me out here one day on a spoon lure, boy. Right between them damn rocks right there. Got hitched on the rocks. Not feeling this water at all, guys. Low tide. The reefs are shining. They're out. And I'm not getting any pickups. Just keep on getting tangled up on my line here. What the fuck is that? Just on a reef or something. Let me get over to this dry spot where I see there's no water splashing, and I'll get away with casting here. Tide seems like it's coming in now. Fish on, guys. Whoa! Fish on, guys. Whoa! Oh! You didn't see that? You didn't see that, cuz? I got smoked. Bro! Bro, I got smoked. He took the lure. Bro! Bro! That was a beast! Bro! Him straighten out the lock swivel, dogs! This is a 40-pound lock swivel! I'm a drag set tight, you know, bro! Fudge bucket, guys. Oh my god. Yo, he's going with the lure, bro. I got smoked. Shore fishing, I just got smoked. I don't know what the hell that was. Ooh-wee. Cuz that must have been either a barra or some big jack, cuz. God damn, bro. I just lost a lure, bro. You hear the line run? Wee! He took my lure, dogs. Eh? Oh my god, people. Fish got my lure, guys. Holy shit. Oh my god, Becky. That was a big fish. That was a very, very big fish, guys. I don't know how he popped this swivel. This is an 80-pound swivel, man. Like 40-pound swivel. Holy shit. Son of a bitch. Eh? I want jack, man. I want big jack. So, brother, I want big ratted fish that. God damn, big boy. That boy hit that line a while ago. Stupid, stupid. Hope you guys caught that action. Shore fishing. boy smoked me a while ago, guys. What the fuck did that happen? Oh my god, yo. Sometimes I can't take this bullshit. Full of bullshit, man.